Time for you to throw the tent away. If you're looking for those wide open adventures, I got a wide open toy hauler ready for you. Let's check it out. Hey, what's happening? It's Chris Young standing on the back of the brand new Forest River Nightfall Ultra 21N. This beautiful 27-foot 3-inch toy hauler weighs roughly 7,000 pounds dry, is 101 inches wide, and in my opinion, toy haulers are the most versatile RVs because of everything you can do with them. Highlighted by this beautiful deck with a 1,500-pound stand capacity, 3,500 load capacity, 14-foot garage that also has your kitchen, and a sanctuary that I think anybody's going to be happy to call home. Let's start right out here on the party deck. So the thing that I like about Nightfall and Ultra, which by the way, you can only get at Camping World, take a look at my surround. This is where I like to hold court whenever I go anywhere. Football games, travel sports, beach, fishing, the mountains, whatever. Toy haulers are great, especially if you're going to bring side-by-sides, kayaks, bikes, golf carts, whatever you're going to have. Your load deck doubles as a party deck, like I mentioned, 1,500 pounds, and you have this really nice solid frame going around that's going to not only give you some security, but also looks good and acts as kind of like a back porch. Now, your dovetail leading into your 14-foot garage, I got to tell you, is pretty aggressive, but the diamond plating right there really helps with the security and grip when not only loading the toys, but also just kind of hanging out. You'll also see that you have some frame welded 5,000-pound tie downs all the way around. Now with toy haulers, versatility is king. As you can see, I have two opposing oversized, plush, and comfortable couches. My table, which is movable, it's also telescoping legs, give you not only function for a coffee table, but also serves as the base for this bed down here. Easily sleep two, maybe even more people on this beauty. Move the cushions however you want them. And then if you need another bed, how about the Tokyo bed system? Check this out. Actually, I don't even need two hands. Weird. I'm just gonna do it with one. How sweet is that? The versatility of storage and clearance, thanks to the extra high space that we have inside of here, gives me not only the room to have two sleeping spaces, but when I put it back up, look at the headroom that you have here to load your toys in and store whatever you need to store. Now, the kitchen and entertaining area is pretty sweet too, so let's check that out. Now, at this price point, having some of these features, to me, I tell you, man, it's like a slap in the face with a nice ice cold bucket of dead fish. I love it. What? You don't do that on the weekends? That's just me? Whatever. Kitchen area highlighted by plenty of space, extra high cabinets, an awesome JBL entertainment center, and everything you need to cook, prep, and store. What am I talking about? Take a look at the oversized stainless steel sink that we have undermounted in my press surface countertop with a pull-down sprayer. Oversized window here, oversized cabinets with the oiled bronze handles here, frosted glass inlay, extra high shelves, and my microwave is also a convection because in this space you have tons of storage, just no oven. LED underlight, which is great for safety, security, a nice little night light, 3-burner Furion cooktop with the removable grill grates. Love that because it makes moving the pots and pans a whole lot easier. Plus my fridge. Look at the space of this. Furion oversized 12-volt fridge freezer combo with the French door and the acrylic front. Not only is this functional and spacious, it looks good in my opinion. I got my nice AC up there, vent and fan. That's my AC is also ducted. More storage on the campsite with the Roman shades. Now these, I got to tell you, when I first saw them in RVs, was not a fan. I was like, why would I want cloth Roman shades in an RV? Well, we have cloth curtains in our homes. This is just a little bit more modern. That's when Ryan told me I was way behind the times and I'm still stuck in 1977 with my shag carpet. Can't help it. I'm not giving it up. More storage here. Hideaway hinges, which is a calling card of awesome construction. And for your entertainment, you got the JBL Aura Cube right here with the speakers. Now, this thing thumps, also has the subwoofer, not to mention your 30-amp solar controller located underneath, because your Nightfall 21N also comes with a solar panel on top. For entertainment, you got the TV on the swivel arm right here. As you can see, this comes out and goes however you need it. You got your Suburban tankless water heater. By the way, you got an 87-gallon fresh tank on this beauty. Very nice. Don't get that confused with your 30-gallon fuel tank for your toys. One you can bathe with, one you don't. Control panel right here where you can run out your slide as well as your 15-foot awning to go along with your 14-foot garage, and cut on mood lights, security lights, as well as all the other lights that you might need. And the fact that they also mixed in a pass-through bathroom with a toy hauler that's not a fifth wheel is a very nice feature. Let's check out the bedroom and bathroom right now. Come on. Now, the front of your Nightfall Ultra 21N is highlighted by a form and functional layout of bedroom and bathroom combo with pass-through bathroom, plenty of headspace in the shower, oversized medicine cabinet, as well as a Murphy bed, and a pretty sweet layout. Now, check this out. I got pocket doors that are not only solid and give me some privacy, they're also decorative and look cool and match the theme of the 21N. But look at the space that I have here with my Murphy bed. Yes, you have a Murphy bed in a slide. Not only giving you more room, but also giving you a little bit more function. I got USB and 110 all the way around under the bed, as well as over here above my chest of drawers and beside my ward. What they did to give you space, but also make sure you were under that 28-foot area. By the way, great for the state parks, under 30 feet. I mean, we're under 28 in this bad boy. Frosted glass, ward bar, it snuck into the space of the bathroom. So it doesn't give me less space in the bathroom, just maximizes the space that's up front. Oversized mirror for prepping, solid wood on my drawers, as well as full extension on the drawer guides. Love the combination of the gray wood with the old bronze and that light tan top. The colors just all kind of flow. Hopefully my friend Trish would agree. And then for my bed, check this out. Got my legs. Get the little safety latch. This folds down into a queen-size walk-around bed with an oversized window, some reading lights, as well as another Roman shade. Got the pass-through door for the bedroom, pass-through door for the bathroom, high-rise porcelain bowl with the foot flush where, well, I mean, if I sit down on it, oh, yeah, I got plenty of space. Look at this. Oh, yeah, this is how we do it. Oh, this is where Uncle Chris might be napping. This is where it's going to go. All right. Oversized shower as well with the kind of rectangular shower surround vent and fan. Beautiful upgraded shower head and the matte black features with my controls. And my vanity, stainless steel bowl, matte black, oversized medicine cabinet like I mentioned. Space, style, form, function, but more importantly, versatility. Wide open. Not only for your spaces, but for your adventures. Let's check out the outside. Now, the outside of your Forest River Nightfall Ultra 21N is highlighted by a beautiful fiberglass exterior, heated and enclosed underbelly, as well as some generator prep. Now, up front, you're going to find powered tongue jack with LED light, twin 20-pound LP tanks, as well as the battery box and my battery disconnect. I like how they gave me the oversized frame on this one. Not only is it powder coated, it's a little bit thicker than what you're going to get with RVs in this price point. Heated and enclosed underbelly as well. Manual stab jacks here in the front and the rear. You'll also see your low point drains are located in the front. I kind of like that just because of easier access. Solid step over steps leading me into my tempered glass door with the oversized handle. Now, this fiberglass exterior is pretty sweet. The Nightfall Ultras are fiberglass. The regulars are just standard aluminum. I like these better, in my opinion. But take a look at some of the storage option that we have right here. So anti-slam, as well as magnetic and metal bottom. Why is that? Because right here is your generator prep. So you got your gen prep right here. The thing that I like about being able to have the prep versus having a generator come with it is you get to pick the type of generator that you want. Some people like the open frame. Some people like the inverter. I got to tell you, I love those Yamaha inverter generators. They're awesome. Plus, it's clean energy and it's pure sine wave, so you're not going to cook some of those sensitive electronics. Just my opinion. Now, double axle on these beauties, aluminum rims, got the Dexter Easy Lubes, and you'll see you got the 80% tint on your windows, the vents for your garage, cable and power if you want to set up some outside entertainment, 15-foot awning with LED light strip. We already talked about this awesome patio deck that just doubles for fun times. Then you come around to the off-camp side. Here's where you're going to see your 30-gallon fuel station with the automatic pump. Got everything locked in there. 50-amp cable, as well as the back of my Suburban furnace. Now, the thing I like about having this here, you're probably not going to have camp chairs there. So don't because that's going to cook them. The fact that they put it here versus on the campsite, very nice. Cable slide, more storage here with my spare tire as well as my sprayer for my sprayer port. I like how they maximize the space both inside and outside for everything that you need to store and take with you on your wide open adventures. But the fact that they made your exterior connections secure, even better. Your external command center is right here with black tank flush, city connection. Right there is your shower as well as your bypasses and your port to run your connections. All in all, sweet. And that info panel, that's where you go to see how much does that vehicle weigh. So for example, the dry on this one is 7,013 pounds. The gross vehicle weight is 11,260. That's the difference between how much it is unloaded versus how much cargo carrying capacity you have. Tanks, toys, people, clothes, the whole nine. Take that information back to your specialist at Camping World and say, hey, what does that mean? Here's what I'm towing with. Here's where I want to go camping. Here's where we're going to do everything. Here's how many people I need to sleep. We get that. We're going to find the RV of your dreams, guaranteed. But for 27 feet, 3 inches, 7,013 pounds dry with an 87-gallon fresh tank, by the way, 38s for your gray and your black. At this price point, with that versatility, that space, that layout, the class that's in there, the touches, man, it just checks all the boxes for if you've been in a tent and now you want to get those wide open adventures, bring the toys and do it in something that's going to look good as well as give you everything you need. Man, go down to your local Camping World, check out the brand new Forest River Nightfall 21N or rv.campingworld.com. And leave me some comments down below. Let me know where you're going to take it. You see anything that you like to change? What'd you like? What'd you not like? I'm a big fan of the Tokyo bed system. Huge fan of the height. But you also got to watch that when going down the roads because there is a trade-off. Just leave me some comments. We love hearing from you. And while you're at it, please click like, subscribe, and notify so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. I'll see you soon.